afternoon, welcome to Douglas Volkswagen. I'm Ken Beam on this very chilly and very cool winter day. Well, here's something cool, check this out. 2011 VW Tiguan SEL 4Motion. Awesome, compact crossover SUV that has 29,200 miles on it, right? It's gonna be a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. Now if you're on our website, be sure to click the Carfax link as we provide a free Carfax report on all our vehicles. They're a really cool one. Let's check it out, come on. Now, sitting inside this awesome Tiguan SEL 4Motion, the first thing you'll appreciate is it's very clean, fit and finish throughout the cabin. It's very sporty and very tight looking, as you can see, right? By the way, it's a non-smoker's vehicle. There's no strange odor, no smell whatsoever in this beautiful Tiguan SEL 4Motion, which is something that I really appreciate when I'm looking for a pre-owned vehicle. Not that having smokers, I just don't like smoke. Now, the Tiguan sports a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, produces a very impressive 200 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of German-made torque. More than ample pickup in this beautiful little sporty compact crossover SUV, right? Also, it has a 4Motion all-wheel drive. Now, I happen to be going to New England this weekend with my girlfriend to see a George Strait concert, and there's a lot of snow up there, so I'm going to take one of our Tiguans up there because, folks, I have to tell you, any Volkswagen that has the 4Motion system is absolutely phenomenal in snow or bad weather. You're going absolutely anywhere. Also paired with that 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine is a 6-speed shiftable sport automatic transmission. You can put in drive or throw that shift to the right. You can shift it on a fly, minus the clutch. Very sporty feeling, right? Have a look at these beautiful black leather seats, absolutely immaculate. No rips, no tears. For that matter, I don't think too many people are sat in seats, very candid with you. And speaking of seats, they are heated front seats. Nice feature for this time of year. Now, the driver's side seat is a power seat. You have 3 memory settings for 3 individual drivers. The feature that I like on the driver's side seat is a power lumbar support for your lower back. And believe me, folks, coming from somebody who has a very bad back, I have 3 major back surgeries, so I assure you, I certainly appreciate driving a vehicle that's very accommodating on long trips. And this Tiguan, with the power lumbar support against your lower back, is just a ticket. Right? Our dual zone climate control. We have this awesome RNS 510 radio navigation system with Dyne Audio Premium sound system, right? How awesome is this, right? It's an amazing system. Our factory navigation, so we can never not find our way home, right? We also have a backup camera watch right here. Put in reverse. Okay. Our backup guides are right here. Very accommodating. Isn't that nice? The leather wrap, tilt, telescopic wheel with Bluetooth connectivity, right? Now I'm over 6 feet tall, right? Pretty long legs, plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom, even with this panoramic moonroof. Check this out. How nice is this, right? So folks, if you're in the market for an awesome, and I do indeed mean awesome, sporty compact crossover SUV that has the added value of being a certified pre-owned Volkswagen, do yourself a favor. Come on down to Douglas Volkswagen and check out this gorgeous 2011 Tiguan SEL 4Motion tongue twister there. That only has 29,248 miles on it. You're going to fall in love with this one. Now let's check out the hatch of the Tiguan. Very roomy, very spacious, right? Have a look. Now you have a cargo cover here, right? Valuables out of sight, out of mind. Nice, right? This comes right off, right? Look at that room. Certainly put all kinds of golf clubs back here, a couple suitcases. But what's nice with the Tiguan is this. You can fold down either half or both sides real easy, like this. Now check it out, it's enormous back here. Put your mountain bike back here. Heck, put 2 mountain bikes back here. Flat screen TV, those suitcases, your golf clubs, going back to school, it's perfect. So there you go, a beautiful example of a certified pre-owned 2011 VW Tiguan SEL 4Motion. Again, it's 29,200 miles on it. Folks, you have to see it drive this one to believe it. It's just amazing, right? Why should a person get a vehicle such as this Tiguan? Well, you're in the market for a fun-to-drive, sporty, compact crossover SUV. One has more than ample cargo room, along with all-wheel drive capabilities. A vehicle that has a lot of curb appeal, along with a very upscale, well-appointed interior, chock full of technological features, right? Combined with the handling, performance, and reliability of a Volkswagen. Now here's a really cool part. It's a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. And what that means is the day you take this car home, you have the balanced original 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. When that ends, a 2-year, 24,000-mile VW certified pre-owned warranty kicks in and is honored in any Volkswagen dealership anywhere in the country. Plus, you also get a 2-year, 24,000-mile roadside assistance program for peace of mind. Can't beat that. Where else? Only at Douglas. Please give us a call at 908-277-3300. And be sure to visit us online at douglasvw.com. Thank you very much.